Howdy. Right then, I hope you enjoyed the last few videos. Just seems like I'm videoing my tea every night, which is a bit strange, but if it helps people then fair enough. What I'm doing tonight is a simple daft pasta dish, very similar to a penne arrabiatta, another Italian dish, spicy sausage, pepperoni, kind of salami, but I'm using chorizo tonight, which I love. There's all different types of chorizo really. There's the cooked type, and there's the raw. I'm using both. The raw stuff is absolutely superb, like the barbecues or just doing normal sausages, but it's made fresh. They're absolutely beautiful. The outside caramelized, go like black and crispy, and dead juicy inside. Where the dried stuff is obviously already pre-cooked, and I usually eat more than I cut and use, so I just nibble as I go along. So yeah, it's a simple dish. It's made with penne pasta. Again, any pasta you want. You can make your own pasta, which I can do one night and show you. Any dry pasta. There's some tomatoes I got left from the remana last night, from the last video I done. That was just last night, so I've saved some sauce from that. And just some basic ingredients really, which I've got in from last night's tea. So obviously when I buy stuff at the supermarket, I try to work out what I'm going to do each day. So if I'm buying stuff for, say, chicken remana, I make sure I do the pasta the day after. And that kind of thing. If I'm making spag bol, for example, I'll do enough bolognese, and I'll keep some bolognese back to do lasagna the next night. So that's how I think when I make my tea. Same as like the parmesan. If I do parmesan, I do more besh. So I use that besh for lasagna. So I always have to think ahead every time, use all these ingredients up and so forth. So I'll just go through some ingredients I've got for tonight. Got some chicken there, diced up, some raw chicken breast, obviously garlic, which I always make, some fresh basil, again from last night, some red onions, got a nice big fat green chilli. I've got my penne tonight. I've got tagliatelle in the cupboard, I've got linguine, but tonight we're having penne pasta tubes. That's the tomato sauce, that was from last night's remana left over. Why waste it? We can use that again. Rather than putting a tin of tomatoes in, it's already there made up. And it's got the white wine and everything in it. Obviously salt and pepper. Today I've got some yellow peppers. Because everything seems to be green and red, so I thought colour wise. The yellow peppers, that is the cured chorizo. It's absolutely beautiful. That's another piece gone. Absolutely gorgeous. And that is the raw chorizo. Again, these are from Lidl, these, which are superb. They're actually raw and need cooking, and they're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Just treat them like normal sausages. So I'm going to pre-cook these in a frying pan, let them cool down, slice them up and add them to the pasta, same as the other stuff. So obviously my penne pasta, simple. I know everyone knows how to make pasta surely, but for those that don't, and it's amazing how many people don't, just pan of boiling water, salt. A tip for you, don't waste your oil. Your oil only floats on the top and you waste it, so don't waste your oil putting it in there. It's a complete waste of time. Just salted water, plenty of salted water, that's all you need. And I've done a pan for the sauce I'm going to make, and I'm just going to fry my chorizo sausages off. So that's it, that's the basics. Alright, we'll put it together a little bit later on. Just whack her in as normal sausages, exactly the same thing. Keep turning, a bit of olive oil, a bit of salt and a bit of pepper. You can brown these and finish off in the oven, or just keep an eye on them. That's it, brown nicely. I'll let them cool down, chop them up and add it to the rest of the stuff. There we go, the pasta, about 20 minutes, the pasta's about done. And all I do, I prep that for later on, I just run it under some cold water, I'll put it through a colander. There we go, run the cold water, until it's cold, strain it off, and that'll do either for tonight. There's the sausages that are cooked now, I sliced them up, and believe it or not, they taste absolutely totally different to them, but absolutely superb stuff. I'm going to do one portion up now, just to show you how to put it together. Right, this is the same pan I cooked the sausages in. It still has that lovely chorizo oil in there. Now what I'm going to do is just add the chicken. No look, I'm only doing a portion just to show you. So there's my chicken. And a little bit more olive oil to that if you want. That'll start colouring pretty quickly. Right, now the chicken's starting to seal off, it's starting to brown. I've got chilli, Garlic is always. I've got some of the cured chorizo. I'll start to cook down and flavour the chicken even more. It'll start to bleed all the juices. And the onion. Again, use shallot, white onion, wherever you got. Don't have to put onion in. But I think it all marries well. More onion. Again, you put more chilli in, it's entirely up to you. Right, so you cook the chicken down. You cook the chicken a bit thinner, you just cook quicker. Now what we're doing now is, on that cooked chorizo we had, that we cooked off, put that in now, with a few peppers for colour. I've used yellow peppers, just so everything's red. So just add a bit of colour to it. There's a touch of white wine. Don't need the wine in at all. Just a dash. How to create a sauce. I'm going to sauce some last night, that's the remana sauce. A couple of spoonfuls. Don't waste it. Some cheeky salt and pepper. And then your pasta. And now just give that a bit of sauce. So you put more tomatoes in there, as much as you want in. I've got some fresh basil, again from the remana last night. Bit of fresh basil in there. Pesto if you've got none. You can put pesto in there as well. Now we do. And once the pasta's heated up, there we go. It's a simple chicken and chorizo pasta. Slightly spicy, a bit of tomato and fresh basil. Done. Hi guys, if you enjoyed the videos and like what you're seeing, do me a favour, see that YouTube button down there, that subscribe button, just give it a press, because the more subscriptions I get, the more I can do, the more I can keep helping you. I enjoy doing these, so hit the like button, just give it a click, and hit that one there, and let's keep cooking and let's stay safe, okay? Rock on.